Harvest tayo ng kamatis, cherry tomatoes. Ayan, marami na namang hinog. Because 2 days, I think, I did not remove tomatoes here. Ayan. Ayan, nagtatago. Ayan. Hmm. Hmm. Ayan, malaki na naman ito. Ready to pitas na naman para lutuin. Ayan, mga kamatis, cherry tomatoes. Harvest tayo ng cherry tomatoes. Ayan, bismillah. Ito mas here inside. Ay, nahulog. Ayan. Very small. Very small tomato. Ah, only one din will give too much, inshallah. Eh? Bismillah.
What do I give you?
Ito yung kinuha kong cherry tomato sa baba. Kumuha din ako ng mint leaves at saka coriander leaves para sa aking chutney. Chutney, apricot flavor. Ayan. Kumuha din ako ng bawang, sibuyas at saka patatas kasi ubos na naman yung aking konsumo dito sa taas. So ayan. Bawang, sibuyas at saka potatoes, kamatis, green chilies. Ayan. These are all garlics. G1 garlics. From that, ayan, hanggang dito, hanggang doon. And then that side hanggang doon. Yan, yung malinis na yan. Yan. G1 garlics, and that place, that is ordinary garlics. Yan, yung ano na dyan. Yan, ordinary garlics yan. Ito. Yan, this place here. Yan, ordinary garlics yan. So this all place, G1 garlics, yung malalaki ang botel. Hanggang doon. Ayun si Lakay. Tinitingnan niya kung tumubo na. And then aside from here up, there. Yan doon sa baba. Just now, they planted. Ayan. Ayan. Yung may mga puti-puti dyan. And this place here, we have to plant also some different kind of vegetables. Yun, hindi pa nalinisan. Daming damo. We plant additional G1 garlic here. How many kilo you plant here, Dad? 20 kilo here? We planted 20 kilograms here down, and aside from down, we also plant up. Up there, how many kilo? 200? Huh? 210 kilo up, and here down, 20 kilogram here. Only G1 garlics we planted. Normal or ordinary garlics still we did not plant.
Plant already 30 kilo.
30 kilo also. My husband also, he planted also 30 kilogram ordinary or normal garlics over there up. Last year, how many we plant ordinary?
10 kilo.
10 kilo last year. So we plant today 30 kilogram. And G1 garlics we plant more this year, inshallah. By June, July, we have to harvest, inshallah, more than inshallah. More than how many there, inshallah, maybe? Because we planted 200 kilograms. Inshallah, 2,000 kg. We will harvest, inshallah, next year.